Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can make text vertical in Google Docs table. So guys, let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs and you can see this is my table and I have one text here. Okay, so what I can do, you can just select that text like this, copy it, and here go to the insert and go to the drawing and go to the new, and here go to the text box and draw the text box like this, and paste this that text under this. Okay, now we can, okay, just make the size like this. Okay, now select that text again, go to the action, go to the rotate and select your horizontal. Okay, you need to select first this text box like this, go to the action and select this option. Okay, now we have this text. Now just save and copy. Now you can see this text has been inserted. If you want to move this text, you can make you to align this text like this. Okay, just align text like this, and you can see this text now horizontally written. Okay, if you want to customize, just double click on it. Now you can customize from here like this, anything, just save and close. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.